How to sign up for ANZ Internet Banking. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for ANZ Internet Banking account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here, I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once you open the browser, in the search bar type in anz.com. This is the official URL of ANZ. Once you enter this keyword, press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of ANZ. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to locate this arrow. Move your cursor to this arrow and you will be able to see some more options. From here, you will need to select Register for Internet Banking option. Click on it. After doing that, you will be presented with this registration page. Here to proceed further, you will need to obtain customer registration number. If you don't have one, you may also scroll down and then call the ANZ Internet Banking help desk at the number given below to get your customer registration number. You may also click on this Try Another Way link and then from there you can get your customer registration number. Now if you have that, enter your CRN in this box and after entering it, enter your telecode. Once you have filled in your CRN and telecode, now you need to click on this next button right here and follow the prompts to complete your registration. After registration, you will need to create a strong password for your account. Also, you may require a security device for additional protection. Once after completing all of them, you will be able to sign up or register for ANZ Internet Banking account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.